Sorry about the double screen. I did not realize that I was doing that. So anyway, but one thing I want to add is when you're recording, you don't want to hear double playback. So what you want to do is whenever you're recording, just mute the channel. You get what I'm saying? And I got one gem for y'all. So let's say you wanted to record YouTube or anything coming through your computer with this x32. So first thing on Mac, this is only going to work for Mac. So first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you're on this x32 tab. Because I'm recording my screen, I'm here on this audio capture. But you got to make sure you're on this x32 tab. That guarantees that anything you play through your computer, like Apple Music, for example, it'll work. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna go to my YouTube channel and I'm gonna play a beat. And I'm gonna record that in this Pro Tools session. I'm gonna record that boy in this Pro Tools session just for y'all. VeracityTT.com. So y'all can hear that, right? On the x32 app, it's playing right there. So inside of Pro Tools, create you a new track, make it a stereo track, audio. Channel 1+2, just like that. Let's change the color to red, like that. Back to your routing. So you see I got channel 1 and 2. You want to go back to your routing. Go to the IO, the setup, then IO. Go to channel 1 and 2 right here. You see how it's mono? Delete them. Now make a new path. We're going to set that joint to stereo because anything coming through your computer probably going to be stereo. So let's say let's call it record PC. See how it went down here? We want it to come up here though. Oops. Up there. Click it. Right. Press OK. When you come here, record PC and send it to the master. So now anything we play through the PC. Showing y'all that. Can I get a like and a sub though? Can I get a like and a sub? I just showed y'all how to skip conversions, all these YouTube downloader websites killing the quality. I just showed you how to take anything going through your computer, left and right channel, and how to record it in Pro